for insane ChatGPT agent use cases that will blow your mind. Demo 1. Autonomous Research Assistant. It scours papers and writes summaries. Ask a question. Get a concise literature review in seconds. Saves hours and finds hidden insight automatically. Demo 2. Automated Sales Outreach. Personalized emails at scale. It writes subject lines, custom follow-ups, and books meetings. Flip to Demo 3. Demo 3. Code Copilot agent that fixes bugs and writes tests. Show it a repo. It suggests PRs, generates tests, and deploys scripts. Ship faster with AI, keeping your code clean. Demo 4. Creative Director agent drafts ads, storyboards, and A/B tests ideas. Automates creative cycles, then optimizes winning campaigns. Captions on! Subscribe now for more insane AI demos.